When AI began taking over the tech world, I asked myself, who is going to secure all this? That question led me to the cybersecurity, where I found both purpose and opportunity. Upskilling with the right course at the right time helped me get ahead over the curve. Hi, I am Anirban and this is my journey. I am from Kolkata. I have almost 13 years of experience in IT industry. I have started my career in late 2012 or early 2013. I started as a developer with the Tata Consultancy Service, or popularly known as TCS. I was into the deep hands-on on different technologies like the Java, .NET, Python, PHP. On the Oracle side, the Oracle database, SQL, and many more. Later, I joined in the British Telecom in the year of 2021, where I was introduced in this network infrastructure as well as data center security. And in 2023, when I joined the PwC, this AI began taking the entire tech world. This is basically give me more into the cybersecurity, because all of this, the data, infrastructure, and everything, it needs to be protected by any means. My certification journey begins in 2015. At that point of time, big data, cloud, and the AI was emerging. From the newspaper, journals, and many other medias, I come to know that the cybersecurity will be an ultimate choice for those kind of things. So I grew the interest on that, and obviously I figured out that 5 different streams like there's cloud, Gen AI, cybersecurity, quantum computing, and AR/VR is going to dominate the tech world in the next few years. I'm associated with Simplilearn since 2018. So cybersecurity is not the first course I'm doing with this Simplilearn. The entire course was very awesome, but I would like to take few of the names of the modules like this network security, the operating system security, the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, and lastly the capstone project. It's a wonderful course for the beginners who want to know that how and where to start the cybersecurity journey. And also it's good for the people who want to do the transition. I love traveling, and the short and the long trips with my family keeps me charged and to help me to learn the new things. I also like to watch the scientific movies as well as the movie which basically shows the different technologies or upcoming future technologies. My message is simple and straightforward. Future will not give you any sort of warning, but it will change silently. So start now.